We long to be heard and we long to be validated. So there's this dynamic in relationships. If you're listening to somebody's story and you're thinking things like, wow, they are really overreacting. Let's say it's a teenager, right? This is terrible. My family's terrible. And so you want to balance them. So you say, well, they're not that bad. Don't they feed you? Don't they love you? So you now have an agenda. The goal is to move them because your perception is they are out of balance. And their perception is you are not listening to me. You do not understand what I'm saying. So they may even lie. They may even exaggerate in order to get you to move because you're trying to influence each other's listening. But the key is to move toward someone. You can say it must really be awful to think that your parents are the worst ones in the whole world. What's that like? So you move toward them and then they feel, well, they're not the worst in the whole world. And they're going to move because you gave them permission to move. So validate first and then see if you can let them move toward the truth.